Here's how to connect to Apple Carplay in your new Acura. First, you're going to want to open your phone up, go to your settings, and then go to Bluetooth. Once we're in Bluetooth, we're then going to go over to the screen. We're at the home screen here. Go to Apple CarPlay, connect a phone, connect new device, and we're going to look for Acura MDX on our phone. Click on Acura MDX. Then it's going to ask to pair. And then we're going to allow and sync our contacts. Hit OK on the screen and also connect on your phone. And if you want to, you can also set this as a priority device if you have multiple devices connected at the same time. We'll confirm. And just like that, you're connected to Apple CarPlay.